Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You've entered Retro Joe's Computing Center. So, this laptop here, I've had for about, I got it in 2018, so I've had it for about 7 to 8 years. And there was a issue recently where, the battery was already kind of depleted over time. The lithium kind of wears out, and batteries basically just lose their capacity. So that's what happened. But the interesting thing is, for years I was able to plug it into the DC power or AC power, and was able to use it with a low battery, but just using AC power plugged in. And then after a couple of years of that, worked fine. Then about a year later, one night I was watching Casino on the DVD optical drive here. As you can see, this is the model that has a optical drive DVD player. And as I was watching Casino with my brother, it just totally just went kaput, and the power went shut off. And I surmised that the battery was just completely, gone at that point. It concerned me because I was like, why can't I just run power from the charger even when the battery's bad? Well, I guess you can on this model. You can't. So recently, my friend Gregory Weaver was I told him about what happened, and I sent him the model number of this. I believe this is a HP 15DA002DX. So I sent him the model number, and he got a battery the next day from Amazon. We put it in, installed it, plugged in the charger, and it didn't boot up at first. It went to this thing called, it was like error 52 something. It said CMOS reset. Press enter. So I pressed enter. Then it shut off. Then it turned itself back on again, and it booted up to Windows 11. So it worked, and all the peripherals, like the external hard drive I have and the keyboard and mouse, they all lit up. So that's good. That's about it. Thank you for watching.